Welcome to my second tutorial on getting started with programming. The objective of this lesson is to teach you how to let other users join in a collaborative project on GitHub. My last tutorial was rather terrible, so this time hopefully things will turn out better, eh? The first thing to do is to go to github.com and log into an account that you'll be using later as the center for your projects. As of 2020, the project account we use is called Ames Robotics. And yes, it is true that we are still a global leader in cup of noodle consumption. Next, let's start by creating a brand new repository as before. I'll walk you through the process once again, but if you want more detailed information, please check out my first tutorial. We'll give it a clear and easy to understand name, a short description about what it is, making it public, and finally, publishing the repository. Once that process is complete, we can head on over to Git Extensions, where we will upload our code for the first time to the repository. Again, if you want a more in-depth process of how to use Git Extensions for the first time, please check out my other video. Now that the hard part is out of the way, go back to your repository in GitHub, and from there, click on the Settings tab, go down to Manage Access tab to the left, and finally, click on Invite a Collaborator. Now, from the perspective of the collaborator, they should receive an email that allows them to join the project. Once they've clicked on the View Invitation option in their email folder, they will be able to gain access to the project, as well as the ability to add or modify code through a push-pull process on their Git source of choice. For us, and the other programmers of 3243, we will still stick to Git Extensions. However, if you're interested, there's also VS Code, and also the more difficult option, Git Bash. Thank you, and I hope this helped address any confusion you had with this procedure. Additionally, I also hope that this second version of my tutorial is a bit better than the last one. This time, as you've probably noticed, I'm actually going on script this time, so it's a bit more understandable and I'm not saying nonsense. Anyways, thanks again.